Happy New Year everyone! If you're new to this channel, my name is Jess and I mostly talk about dropshipping and e-commerce businesses. And I just felt the need to create this video. As you can see in the title of this video, I want you to become aware of dropshipping scams circulating online. It's the beginning of the year, so most people, including myself, are looking for additional streams of income or side hustles, and I know that a lot of people are becoming interested in having a dropshipping business. But I can see that in some Facebook groups there are seemingly dropshipping scams circulating, and I don't want you to fall on the trap. So just for your information, for those people who are not yet aware, I believe most of my subscribers already know how a dropshipping business operates, but for those who are new to this channel, I would just like to explain that a dropshipping business is like a trading business. You are choosing products that you would want to sell online, and you are deciding on which suppliers to get it from. But instead of buying the inventory outright and storing it in your warehouse or in your house, you are going to order that product when a customer orders. A lot of people are trying out this kind of business because it involves low capital and low barrier to entry. However, I've been seeing posts online that are seemingly recruiting people, referring people to join their dropshipping company. If you have a dropshipping business, the goal is for you to become your own boss. You should be able to have the freedom to choose the product which you are gonna sell, to choose the supplier or suppliers that you're gonna get the products from. So you have the option to do product sampling, testing out which supplier has the best quality product, and discontinuing products that no longer sell, or discontinuing products that you are not happy with the quality. As a dropshipper, you also have the liberty to choose which marketing strategy that you can use. Are you going to use Facebook ads? Are you going to do Google ads? Or are you going to do influencer marketing? There are countless ways for you to market your product online. So it's essentially having a business and you choosing which product, which supplier, and which marketing strategy to use. But I have been seeing some posts that are recruiting people and requiring capital upfront, usually 20,000 to 50,000 pesos. And I could be wrong, but they are seemingly multi-level marketing companies who are recruiting people to resell or distribute the products. So as someone who's been studying this kind of business for 4 years now, I think that there is a big difference between a dropshipper and a reseller or distributor. Because if you're a dropshipper, you own the business, you have the control on almost everything except the shipping part. But if you are a reseller or distributor, you are tied down to a set of products that the company has. So just to give you an example, it could be a whitening product or health supplements. So if you are a distributor or a reseller of that product and you have been tied down to sell these products, I don't think that's a dropshipping business. I think that's another kind of business. But just a note, however, I have nothing against multi-level marketing companies. I've never joined a multi-level marketing company myself. I'm not here to say that it is a bad company or a good company or anything like that. Anything I say could not be eligible for a testimonial. So today I'm going to name 4 signs that would let you guys know that the business that you're entering might not be a dropshipping business. So number 1 is it requires you to give a capital upfront, normally 20,000 to 50,000, and they expect you to give it to them and not you have it separated on a business account. Although I know that a dropshipping business requires capital as well, because of course you have to set up your website, that would cost money. You have to spend on ads to advertise your products, but as the business owner, you have the control over that money. So for example, if you have 50,000 capital, you might decide to spend 25,000 on your marketing budget and then another 25,000 to set up the website, right? But it seems like these groups are recruiting people to sell their products and requiring them to give the money to them upfront. So that's not how dropshipping works. Number 2 sign, they offer product trainings. As a dropshipper, someone who owns a dropshipping business, again, you have the ability to choose what product you want to sell. So that's why there are videos on how to find winning products, etc. If that group of company is telling you that they have free product trainings, it might be they are training you to sell a specific product. They're training you to sell these products only, and you have no options to sell other products in other categories. Number 3 sign, it looks like they are recruiting people or referring people. So telling people that they are needing X amount of people to join their company. So it's a recruitment type of process. So if you want to have a dropshipping business, you don't have to be part of a group. Number 4 sign, I think this sign gives it away. If they have a last call or a deadline in joining this certain group or kind of company or business, you all know for a fact that it's never too late to start a business. So why would you put a deadline on someone who wants to have their own business? I just don't get that point. So if they are requiring you to join ASAP, means that they have their own quotas that they want to reach. Maybe they are required to recruit 10 people this month or 5 people this month, whatever number that may be. So if you join them, you are tied down to whatever policies they have. You are tied down to whatever products that they are selling and whatever rules that they have within the company. So those are the 4 signs that the business that you are entering might not be a dropshipping business. So at the end of the day, you as the business owner should have the control over the products to sell, the suppliers to get the products from, the marketing strategy to use, and the capital that you would put in your business. If it's not, then I would suggest you to research more about it, to ask more questions. I'm not saying all of these people who are trying to recruit you are scammers. I'm just saying that they might have a different agenda, and the goal that you want to achieve might not be the same way or the same goal that they have. Again, guys, I just felt the need to make this video because I don't want your hard-earned money to go to waste. It's the beginning of the year. It's the year to become smarter, and it's the year to protect your money. As we all know, we are in the middle of a pandemic, so it's very, very, very important for you guys to protect your money and know where your money will go. But it's very important to research the companies that you will invest on and the people that you are going to be dealing with. Alright, so as an additional resource for you guys, I will be placing down links below on legit websites that you can learn dropshipping from for free. And to be honest, guys, if you're starting, Google and YouTube would be your best friend, especially if you're starting with a low capital. I think it would be best if you just read and research everything online, free content, consume all the free content that you can, And if you want to level up your business, maybe that's the time that you could tap into having like mentors or buying courses, etc. So yeah, I hope that you guys would have a fruitful year 2021. I hope that you all will be profitable. So reminder to be smart about your money, and I hope that all of your investments would bear fruit. So wishing you all success, guys. And if this video helped you on one way or another, I hope that you would give this a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. So I'll see you guys on the next video.